Hello students, now we are going to see some more rules about article the. Okay, so let's see. It's on page number 44, grammar textbook. Okay, so yesterday we have seen that article a and an and the. Okay, so a article is placed before the noun which are started with consonant sound. Okay, and n is placed before the noun which are started with vowel sound. Okay, some nouns we have seen that which are not started by vowel alphabet, but they are sounded as vowel, so we placed n. So we are concentrate only on sound which we pronounce. Okay, આપણે જે બોલીએ એ સાઉન્ડ ઉપર આપણે કોન્સન્ટ્રેટ કરવાનું. Whatever sound we pronounce, according to that we place the article before the noun. Okay, now see a and the. Now see on page number. So the is placed before particular person. Then second one we have seen that if the noun is represent the whole class, for example the rose, okay, then the tiger. Okay, so if the noun is represent the whole class, okay, first one, if the noun is a particular thing, unique thing, particular thing, at that time we add the before that type of noun. For example, let us go to the club. So here we are talking about one particular noun, club. Okay, so we place the before noun. So particular thing, second one,
whole class shows the whole
unique, okay, second one the whole class if noun represent whole class, and third we have seen that unique thing. Unique means only there is only one, no, nothing is like that, like the earth, the sun, the moon, okay, the sky. Okay, so unique thing. So before unique thing we are also place the before noun. Now see on page number 44. So let's read. With the name of books, rivers, seas, oceans, groups of islands, gulfs and mountain range. Okay, so before the these names, આ બધાના નેમની આગળ પણ આપણે શું લગાવવાનું? the હિમાલયા, the ગંગા. Okay, so names of book, બધા બુકના નેમની આગળ શું લગાવાય? the. Okay, the wings of fire. Okay, whatever book's name is. Okay, then rivers name, the Ganga, the Yamuna. Okay, so before rivers name, then seas, the Indian Ocean. Oceans, Red Sea, the Red Sea. In the Indian Ocean, the Pacific Oceans. Okay, then group of islands, the Lakshadweep. Okay, so group of island. Then gulfs,
the Gulf of Kutch,
the Gulf of Khambat. Okay, whatever the gulfs are. Then so we placed before the of these names. And mountain range, the Himalayan mountain range. Okay, so the before this name. તો આપણે the મૂકવાનું છે આ બધા નામની આગળ. Understand? This is a rule. Now next rule, before superlatives. Okay, in superlative degree we have seen that the plus adjective plus est. Okay, the biggest son or the bravest boy. Okay, so like this, the before superlative adjective. Superlative adjective ni આગળ શું મુકાય? the. Okay, so before superlatives, like he is the best boy in our class, which is the biggest city in India. So before superlative adjective we add the. Then before an adjective when the noun is understood, Okay, so if the adjective is given, but we understood adjective as a noun. See, the guilty will be here. Guilty is adjective, but guilty is used here for a person. So we understood a noun, guilty. He should be guilty for his whatever he done. એણે જે કર્યું એના માટે એને guilty હોવી જોઈએ. So guilty is used here for a person or noun as name. Okay, so the guilty here means person. The guilty will be punished. જે પણ guilty છે, okay, here means guilty means some person. So here adjective is given, but we understood noun. At that type of adjective also we add the guilty. Okay, the guilty will be punished. The rich is adjective, but here see, the rich should be kind to the poor. The rich should be kind to the poor. See, rich person and poor person. So rich person, rich adjective, poor person, poor adjective. But here noun is not given. We understood noun after reading that adjective. આ adjective વાંચીએ એટલે આપણને શું યાદ આવી જાય? નાઉન જ છે આ, બરોબર? The guilty should be punished, or the rich should be kind to the poor. So the rich and the poor. So that type of noun which are understood as that type of adjective which are understood as noun. Okay, so we placed the before this type of adjective. So guilty, rich, poor, the rich, the poor, the guilty. Okay, now next, with an individual as the representative of the whole class. Okay, just like we have seen. So the noun which represent the whole class, the tiger, the sparrow, the cow, the pupil. Okay, so which represent the whole class, the noun which represent the whole class, it is we placed the before that type of noun, the. Okay, so article the placed before them. Now we can use a and in the case of one. Okay, in singular. In case of one, if we want to say that one boy, we can also say that a boy. Okay, so if we want to say that one girl, we also say that a girl. So a is also used in place of one. વન એવું આપણે કહેવાના હોય, એના જગ્યા ઉપર પણ આપણે અ કહી શકીએ. અ ગર્લ મીન્સ વન ગર્લ, અ બોય મીન્સ વન બોય, અ પેન્સિલ મીન્સ વન પેન્સિલ. ઓકે, સો in place of one. So in the sense of one, wait a minute means 1 minute. Wait 1 minute. Now 12-inch make a foot means 1 foot. Then I have a pen and an ink pot. So means I have 1 pen and 1 ink pot. So in the sense of one, we can also put a or an before noun which is singular and only one. Okay, then in the sense of a certain. Okay, so I met an old man in the street. So certainly, મોટે ભાગે આમ આપણે મળી જઈએ કે એવું કોઈ થિંગ હોય, સર્ટનલી થાય એવું થિંગ હોય. ઓકે, સો એના સેન્સ ઓફ અ સર્ટન. સો આઈ મેટ એન ઓલ્ડ મેન ઇન ધ સ્ટ્રીટ. Certainly he met a man. Okay, so he add an here, an or a. We add a or an in the sense of certain. Okay, there was a beggar at the door. There was certain beggar at the door. એટલે કે certainly beggar આવ્યો મતલબ. Okay, so in the sense of certain, also we add a or n before noun. Now we don't use any article. We don't use any article when, see, when before a noun used in its widest sense. Before a noun used in its widest sense. So see, man is mortal. So here man is mortal. So man is here used in widest sense, means all men. Okay, so here we cannot add a man or an man. We cannot add because we are talking about all the men. So it is widest meaning of men. Okay, so we cannot add a man or an man or an whatever. કંઈ પણ આપણે એન વોવલ સાઉન્ડથી સ્ટાર્ટ થાય એની આગળ એન એવું નહીં લગાવી શકીએ. ઓર ધ પણ નહીં. હા, ધ મેન ઇઝ મોર્ટલ, નો, મેન ઇઝ મોર્ટલ. ઓકે, what kind of flower, what kind of a flower or what kind of the flower? No. Okay, so what kind of flower? It is it. So here flower means it is widest meaning. So all the flower, any kind of flower it should be, કંઈ પણ હોઈ શકે. Okay, so we cannot add an or any article before the noun which are in its widest sense. Okay, so here now second one, before the name of materials. Okay, so gold, a gold, the gold, we cannot say that. Okay, so before the name of material we cannot add any article. Gold means gold, not a and nothing, કંઈ પણ એડ નહીં થાય. Okay, gold is a precious metal. Then cotton is used to make cloth. So gold, cotton, okay, whatever material we talking about, we cannot add any article before them. મટીરિયલના નામના આગળ આપણે કોઈ પણ આર્ટિકલ એડ કરી શકીએ નહીં. ઓકે, નાવ સી નેક્સ્ટ રૂલ. બિફોર પ્રોપર નાઉન, before proper noun, આપણે proper noun means something or some person's name, that is proper noun. We have seen that, I think. Okay, so before proper noun, Mumbai, the Mumbai or a Mumbai, no. Okay, so before any proper noun, for example the Preeti or the Kangshi, okay, that is Kangshi and Preeti, okay, these are proper noun. So before proper noun we cannot add any article. Okay, fine. Now see, before places that are visited for the purpose they are meant for: bed, school, college, hospital, church, prison, etc. સો આ જે નાઉન્સ આપ્યા છે, સો એના આગળ પણ વી કેન નોટ એડ એની આર્ટિકલ. ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ, વી ગો ટુ ચર્ચ ટુ પ્રે. વી ગો ટુ ધ ચર્ચ, રોંગ. ઓકે, ધ thief was sent to prison. Okay, it is right, but the thief was sent to the prison, it is wrong. Mostly it is said the prison and the church, but it is wrong grammatically. Okay, so this is wrong sentence. Understand? So like that, bed and the school, the bed, or a school or bed and college or hospital or church, prison, before this type of noun we cannot add any article. Okay, when we are not add any article before this type of noun, when we are visited, that when we visited these places, okay, at that time we cannot add any article before them. If we visit hospital or if we visit church, if we visit prison or whatever, okay, so if that type of noun we visit them in their purpose, એટલે કે જેના માટે બનેલા છે તેના માટે આપણે એને વિઝિટ કરવા માટે ગયા હોય, at that time we cannot add any article before church or bed or prison. Okay, so these nouns we cannot add any article. Okay, we'll stop here and exercises we'll discuss later. Okay students, take care.